If you are looking for an incredible at-home anti-aging kit, I cannot recommend this facelifting set from Numbuzin enough. They just gifted this to me. I just tried it out, and on first try, I am so impressed. So let me show you what you get in this box and how it worked for me. When you open it up, this is what you get: the number 9 essence and the number 9 lifting mask. Now the number 9 essence, they're calling Botox in a bottle. It has NAD plus and 50 different peptides in it to really help plump up your skin, help with collagen, and smooth out all the wrinkles. And they have a lot of clinical studies behind this showing that it works. And I know NAD plus in particular is a very new ingredient to use in skincare products, but I would say that using this was so luxurious. I had a freshly cleaned face and I just put this on everywhere just as a smooth serum. You really don't need much, and it has a very lovely high quality feel to it. Let me show you. When I put it on my finger, you can see that it's not really dripping much at all. It's not very watery, and it goes on so smoothly and lovely. Wherever you're applying this, whether you're using this with focused attention on places like smile lines and under your eyes, crow's feet, and 11s, I love it. And I will definitely be using this for the next few weeks, and I will show before and after over a longer term. Today, I've only used it my first time, and I do feel like my skin was brighter immediately after using it, but I also followed it up pretty much immediately with the face lifting mask. Now this face lifting sheet mask not only has NAD plus and those 50 peptides, but it also has collagen in it. It's meant to really lift up your face, help with sagging, plumpness, and wrinkles. And it's pretty incredible to put on. It comes in multiple parts. The first section will go over your forehead and nose and right over your mouth. The second section, you actually pull up around your chin and hook on your ears. I found that in itself to be very tight and lifting. And then on top of it, it has a band that you tie around your chin and over the top of your head to really get the full lift. Now here are my before and after photos, and yes, I just did this today, and so I am feeling really good right now. I have not put on any makeup. I haven't done anything except for use the serum and this lifting mask, and my skin is glowing. It feels really well moisturized, and I definitely feel like my eyebrows and my eyes are a little higher. I don't have much sagging on my neck to really see a difference, but it definitely feels just a little tighter and a little more youthful, and overall I feel like I'm glowing. And I hope you can see that in this video as well. Now, while I'll be able to use this serum for many, many weeks, I only get 4 of the masks. So I've already used 1, so I only have 3 left. So these for me will be more of a once a week or once every other week treatment, but I am very curious if I will be able to see a difference after a few weeks of using these. So I will come back with another video in a few weeks. And until then, I definitely recommend giving these a try. This is definitely the bleeding edge of Korean skincare, and I am really impressed. The experience is very luxurious and wonderful. So definitely give this a try, and I hope you have as incredible of a first-time experience as I have.